Hi everyone. I'm going to do this quick tutorial mostly for Alan, but I'm sure there's other guys out there. I use StreamYard to stream live on YouTube, and I've been trying to get Alan, my buddy up in northern Lausanne, to join me on there, but he's been having trouble. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to set one up. I'm going to open the link in my messenger just like he will be and go through and do a screen record so that everybody can see the exact steps how to do this. Because, I'd like to have other guests on and I don't want them to have to go through a headache of learning how to do it. So I'll give them a step by step exactly how I go about doing it so we can get them all logged on and go from there. Hope this helps some other people. Have a nice day. That's all you gotta do to share and add a guest. In the next half of this video, I did a screen record on my phone, how to accept it, the steps to go through, the correct buttons to push, and you'll be on air with whoever sends you the invite. Hopefully this helps my buddy Alan out. Hopefully it helps out others. Just a quick tutorial. Check out my channel for other quick things. Got a solar video coming out this afternoon. Subscribe, you'll get notifications. I'm always thinking of weird videos to do. Some educational, some just nuts. Have a nice day.